Guys, you can eat freezer burn, honey, but there's no more taste. It's not good.
That's not true. You know what freezer burn is, right?
Yeah, it's dried out. The meat is sucked in. The juice is out. Dry.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning! Good morning, guys! Anyway, guys, nag-isip ako kung ano yung kakainin ko dito. Nag-isip ako, so, kaya I think wala man ditong Hawaiian. So, I think ang gagawin ko is rice with egg. So, ngayon, tanungin natin si Mr. kung anong kakainin niya. Umagang-umaga. Alam nyo, kanina pa ako naghintay sa tawag ng, makipag-usap sa parents ko. Pero, para yung kontak ko doon sa Bukirin, parang wala mang ano. So, kailangan ko talagang bilhan ng cellphone yung mama ko. Alam nyo bakit hindi? Wala silang cellphone, guys. Yung mama ko kasi, binilhan ng cellphone noon, palaging nasisira kasi naupuan, or ibigay, basta sira. At hindi din siya marunong. Mahirap turuan ba? So, kaya walang cellphone yung mama ko. So, ngayon, I think it's time na kasi bumalik sila sa probinsya. Anyway, guys, di ba ang aga nagchika ulit? Nagchika tayo. Ito yung sa ano, guys, kapag magluluto ako, guys, na may fat, ang ginawa ko is hindi ko siya ilagay sa sink. Pabayaan ko lang siya diyan, and then itapon ko doon sa labas. Sa labas ko siya itapon, hindi ko itapon dito. Kasi yung oil, guys, magkaklag sa ating septic. I told you not to be in the couch, ha? Gahig yun ka ikag-ulo ba? Get down over there. Get down, boy. Uy, anyway, guys, may balita ako. Get down. Get down, baby. Mama clean that couch all the time. And you're always over there, my man. Mama always watch the couch, my love. You should go away. You should go away. Ang hirap, guys. Oy, kasi, ang hirap kapag may alaga, guys. Lalo na spoiled yung baby. Anyway, ang orchids natin is, tumubo na sila, guys. Dito, oh. Kaloka, oy. Look, oh. Pumunta talaga siya sa, ano, guys, oh. Mahirapan ito ba? Tinanong ko si Mr. I asked him what he like. So, he doesn't want rice. Are you sure? He wants, ano, scrambled. Oh, yes. Good morning.
Good morning, guys. That's dog's food.
So, nakalimutan ko, di ba, laman natin walang tubig kagabi. Dahil nga sa magbagyo daw. So, ngayon, tubigan ko sila, guys, kahit late na. 10 o'clock. Kasi yung iba nakikita ko, sobrang lungkot. Okay. Yun. Kahapon kasi, guys, ng hapon, hindi ko natubigan kasi sabi pa uulan, magbagyo. So, hindi man umulan. So, pagka the next day, ngayon, itong video na ito, yung mga halaman ko hindi masaya. Grabe. Sabi ko, bahala na sobrang init. Tubigin ko sila, kawawa. Kasi mamatay lang. Useless. Hi, guys. Oh my God. Ano ng oras? It is 4:30. Wala pa si Mr. dito. Iwan ko na lang. Anyway, so, lutuin ko lang ito, yung binili namin na asparagus. Nung punta siya doon sa isang bahay, hindi na ako sumama, so kaya, yun, at ang tagal niya, umalis siya dito 1:30. Ngayon, it's 4:30, wala pa rin. Hindi nag-response, hindi ko alam kung anyari. Tawagan ko nga mamaya. Tinawagan ko na si Tami, andun pa siya. Itong mister ko ba, sa sobrang kahit mga tao na hindi niya responsable, ginawa niya parang responsable sa sarili niya. Siya na yung taga-punta doon, siya na yung lahat. I-boil ko lang itong asparagus, guys. And then, meron tayong corn. Nakita ninyo yung video na pumunta kami sa freezer. Ang daming, iwan ko, guys. Iwan ko kung i-upload. Ito yung mga steak na nagka-freezer burn. Look, meron na siyang freezer burn, freezer burn, freezer burn. Ito talagang freezer burn talaga. Ito din, meron din. Ito, makain ko pa siya, oh. Okay. Kasi ayaw kung, freezer burn na talaga siya, talaga. Freezer burn na talaga siya, look, oh. Ito yung sabi ko kay Mister na kainin yung steak bago masira. But anyway, na mental, parang walang kwenta itong mga pinagagawa natin. Ayaw kasi makinig ni Mr. Guys, oy. Yung parang, hindi talaga siya makinig. Ito na mais. Lutuin natin ito. Who's here? Who's here? Hello, Dada's here? Who's here? Where is he? Where is Dada? Tignan niyo ito, tignan. Tignan niyo. Where is he? Where is he? Oh, he's coming. Quiet. Enough na. Enough na. Preserve na steak. Yes guys, preserve siya. Come on. Kapag meron kang freezer burn na karni sa refrigerator, sa freezer, pwede pa yan siya makain guys, pero hindi na nga siya tasty, dry na siya. So yun lang siya, hindi man siya nakasira ng anot yan. Gabi na guys, tapos na akong nag-grill and so yun, isauli ko lang itong cover ng grill natin. Lagyan ko lang ito. O diba, kahit grill, kailangan siyang i-cover. Saan nga maghanap niyan? Yung paa ko nga walang cover. So yun, tapos na akong nagtubig dito. Tapos na guys. Ay, tignan nyo naman, patay na patay dahil sa init. This Mr. ay. Hi, Mr. Cupido. Hi, Mr.
Hi, guys. Yes, as light as to kill the bugs. You can see one in there right there. A couple in there.
Oh my God. He's a bug killer, guys.
Keeps them away from me. It works.
Very American. Alam nyo, guys, itong mga American, they don't really like bugs. For some reason, they're like...
Fine with bugs, as long as they're not flying into us constantly.
They're like a baby.
So let them go over there.
Yeah, he's such a baby. Especially my husband. Doesn't like giving me company. He's avoiding me. He's always on the phone. Tingnan niyo na. Shh! Dami. Do you love me?
I love you.
Do you?
Yeah. Exactly.
I was shocked. I was shocked with your quick talk. I'm telling. Okay guys, the steak pala guys. The steak he ate. Kinain niya yung steak guys na yung preserver na sabi ko. And I don't eat it. He ate it. So yun lang yung update. He's the one eating it. Quick update lang ito. Continuation sa vlog.
Fine. It wasn't really freezer burn. Maybe a little bit on it. But the steak really wasn't. My wife is just a little crazy. She's afraid of everything.
It's freezer burn, Tommy.
Well, let me tell you something. If it was really freezer burn, you could taste it. It would taste like crap. So it wasn't.
But the two of that is really bad.
I had one of those too. I had a piece from one of those too. It was fine.
Serious?
Yeah, serious.
You over seasoned it. You put seasoning in
I
it?
didn't season it at all. You seasoned it.
Yeah, I know, but did you add salt?
I had nothing.
It was really dried out.
I added nothing. It was fine.
Okay, so that's the update of the
My
steak.
wife is a little crazy.
Guys, you can eat freezer burn, honey, but there's no more taste. It's not good.
That's not true. You know what freezer burn is, right?
Yeah, it's dried out. The meat is sucked in. The juice is out, dried out, and brown. It says you can eat it, but not good anymore. Not good. It's not gonna poison you, but isn't not good.
Here's the thing, okay? If it was really freezer burn, you would know. When you put it on the grill, you could tell it wasn't. You may add a little couple spots on it that was starting to get freezer burn, but the steak really was not. I can show you what a freezer burn steak looks like. That ain't it.
Serious, Tommy.
Seriously. And you wouldn't eat it. It would taste so funky you wouldn't eat it. It wouldn't have no taste. It would have a weird taste. Serious. So you just chose not to eat it, that's fine. I'm going to wind up having to freeze the ones that are cooked. So, because otherwise they're just going to rot in the refrigerator.
How many you have left?
I don't know. 2 or 3.
So guys, he eat with the dog in it. So he eat, but he giving some to the dog.
I always give, no matter what I have.
Your thing, your belly is showing off.
I always give something to the dog. It has nothing to do with. She said, "Oh, freezer burn, you give it to the dog." Name one thing, one time I eat and don't share with them. One.
You do all the time, Tommy.
I do. I share it no matter what. So it's not because it was freezer burn. You like to make people believe. Oh,
It's freezer burn,
He
honey.
didn't really eat it. He gave it to the dog. No, no.
it is freezer burn, and he eat. Guys, even it's almost bad. It's bad. He ate. Okay, cold cuts. But that's the update about the steak. Yes, I freak out. It was a waste of money because he buy a lot. And then you guys are right in the comment that need to use the old one.
And that's what I said. My wife goes down and she takes the ones on the top.
Don't blame me.
Steak for the ones on the
Don't
bottom.
blame me. You buy.
And then she just takes whichever's the most recent ones.
You buy. You put it in the freezer. Arrange it. Okay. Arrange it to put what under and put it up, and the new one put it down. That's how it is. That's how supposedly when you
do that. If my wife used the stuff from the stand-up freezer first, but she don't even want to touch that one
because
She don't even
everything
ever
is
open that
freezer
one.
burn in there.
Yeah, okay.
You're good. This is the thing. He buy and then blame me. Okay. Okay, guys, that's it, guys. Because he will smack me later, guys, without you guys saying it.
That's what's gonna happen.
Anyway, so i-end ko na tong vlog. Salamat guys sa panonood, guys. Thank you, thank you. Lobat na pala yung cellphone ko din, so kailangan ko nang mag-charge.